Oh, hi. You caught me just getting ready to watch a movie. But first, I have to pop up a bag of microwave pork rinds. First, we take the package out of the bag. 80 calories per serving. Now we shake the bag 5 to 6 times back and forth. Place the bag in the microwave, directions side up. Pop it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we open the bag. Smells really good. And there we go. Microwave pork rinds, believe it or not. Wow, they're really hot. Crunchy, bacon flavored. You can hear them popping and sizzling. These are fantastic. 3-star seal of approval.